So let's talk about AG Capital. It's an investment system mixing automated trading with a human touch.
All right, first up, the classic trader's dilemma. Do you go with human gut feeling or just blind code?
Well, on one hand, humans get emotional, they get tired. Bots, they can just follow old code.
So AG Capital's answer is a hybrid model. The algorithm does the trading, an expert keeps watch.
And who's running the show? A pro trader with over 10 years of institutional experience.
Okay, but how does the tech actually work? What's the algorithm doing under the hood?
Get this, its logic was tested on market data going all the way back to 2004.
It's got an institutional design, so it trades over 10 different instruments with built-in risk management.
Now, for you, the investor, it's designed to be totally passive. It's all done through copy trading.
It's simple, really. The system makes a trade, and it's instantly copied to your own account.
But for that to work right, your account on RoboForex has to have these exact settings.
The upside? You save time and get access to pro-level tech. But there are real risks involved.
And to their credit, they're really upfront about this. The risk warning is right there for you to see.
And here's some perspective. The provider states this many retail accounts actually lose money with them.
So, what's the bottom line? Don't invest money you honestly can't afford to lose. It's that simple.
Which kind of leaves us with one big question. Is this human-algorithm combo the future of retail trading?